This is part two. What? Oh my god. Anyways, parents are home. Yeah, I don't think this is a home anymore. Like, yeah, I don't think this is a home. Yeah. The really big thing. This is a skateboard. More like a garden. Bro, you have ball? Wait, wait, can I put this ball in my head? Wait, bro. Stop. Bro, I will really put you there. But I won't. Bro, don't make me angry. Go grab something. You want to die? You want to die? What's like that? I think I'm just enough. Ako naman dyan. Uy! Oh, balik ako to nga. Ayun! Ay, di. One-hit ko lang. Ay, sorry. Stop to. Balat mo? Balat mo na. Wala na yun. Sige. Gawin. Wala ko gawin. Hindi ko gawin. Kaya mo tinatap? Ano daw? Wala. Ganyan ang pagka mo? Okay. So you leave me someone else? Ha? Ano mo? Wala.
Kulang ako sa kitlit.
Bigyan. Yun nga, hindi na pula puro ay. Bula. Hindi ako matsawa mo naman. May mo dapat chicken. Tapi ano to, katsabong ka chicken ha? Ilan mo na. May talang pagkaan ha? Opo, siyang mga kinitang mga avocado.
Hindi naman araw. Di ba nilagay panak, di ba? Yeah.
Ang wala na ko naman da.
Din skeleton niya. Abi ay tang dia.
Ito ka pong mo. Natutod. Wala mo dyan magkita ka. Magkita ka skeleton. Yung mga
Ibad naman yan.
pinatay mo kasi di ba kasi skeleton.
Oh.
Hindi mo yung ton. Yung tao mo chef. The chef. Kita ko yun doon. Diyan mo kita ko skeleton. Makita ko skeleton. Tumbit na kita. Wow! Pasok ko lang kayo sa lubis. Ano ba?
Diba, naganda ko dyan.
Pagka-record? Baka pa yung pagkaan mo? Baka pagkaan dyan? Yes. Baka yung pagkaan? Baka yung pagkaan na ball? Eh!
Sigwa, diba? Tapi man, sigwa mo. Paano? Gun folder.
Enderman, ay hindi naglipat tayo pag
Hindi, tayo na.
Di Di mo makabote. Kailangan ko spider. Patay ka agad. Manggo.
Oh, ano na nito?
Zombie dyan. Uy! Enderman.
Ay, sagad. Yan. Doon ako din.
Hindi ko. Ba't yung Enderman?
Kasi may go. Dala mo dyan, ang iinit yan. Ito din ka. Ito. Para makabas na tayo.
Uy! Ay, wala na tao ka na Hindi na kataw Yung ay
Eh,
Wala kayo na ball.
alin.
Wala ka na ball. Hindi ka ball.
Hindi na sa automatic. So, mata.
Hindi mo kailangan matulog. Tulog ka agad. Uy! Diin ang pagka. Pagkaon. Anyways, guys, this is our dog. Our dog. Bro, I don't have any more. You find food. I always find food. I found coal and I found everything. You don't even give me anything. Rare, but not a zombie time. That's low of rare.
Ano? Ay, may yan ako ulit may...
Maybe this time.
Bakit ko?
Bro, I took all the coal with me. This coal, all these coal are mine, okay?
Mukha ko tubig.
Nandiyan ko ako. These coals are mine.
Ay, wala na pagkakaon. Nita ko ng film. Di na hole. May hole ka dyan?
I don't have a hole. I'm not a hole. All of these holes are mine, man. I'm not giving you any. Oh my god, I got double? But I don't got my... Oh yeah, I do got it.
At sa mata ano?
Bro, and he just got double... Wait, bro, I got double thing.
Kasi ba? Ano ba? May kain kayo?
Anyway, let's put it here. Oh, why can't I put this?
Nagising ko? Gising ko dyan?
Bro, I don't even have seeds. So you can have seeds. Low level red.
Wala may seed.
Oh, you didn't even... Oh, you did put water. Yeah, I got one seed, but I need more seeds.
Wala, sabi mo ko na.
Oh, 2 seeds. Ma! Mamma mia! Bro, let's get the creepers to blow the dirt so we can get more seeds. Hey, creeper! Get all the seeds. Hey, whoa! Oh, all the seeds are gone, bro.
Lima?
I only got one seed. What? Find a seed.
Kamutin ako dyan?
Bro, what the? Bro. snap. Put all the seeds now.
Nagawain na.
Bro, I always knew this Minecraft is what the hell. But I didn't know it was this much. And keep on. No, good enough seeds right there. I need more seeds. I need more seeds, bro. Need more seeds. I said you need more seeds. We need more. We need more seeds. I have 4 seeds. I think I glitched the game. Hey, we only need like 7 more. Wait, no, 9 more. Oh yeah, keep finding. I only have 5. So yeah, you don't need that much. No, only need just 4 more. Okay, 4 more. So only more. Only 4 more. I got 7. Bro, we need. Oh, I got 8. No, no. Bro, I don't have bone meal, but I see a spider. I'm gonna kill it. The axe is going to go away. Bro, I just saw a spider here. Bro, I'm gonna kill this spider. Kulang pa ko isang string, man. Kulang pa ko string. Ang spider eye. You want to eat spider eye? Bro, I'm asking you a question. Don't be rude. Let's go kill this stupid. Get money and stuff. Bro. Anyways, I'm gonna find us some food then. Then I'm going to find us food. We keep making that so we can have bread. Bread is nothing we need. We need more water to put there. Didn't I just make us? Didn't I make? Didn't I make? Didn't I make us our infinite water? Yeah, but then we can. Oh my eyes! Then, then, tata ako. Tata ako. Nagaluwa ko. Picture dyan sa mata. Nasita na grabe. Shape ang tao. Sanay na tao sa ton. Ang mga shape na sanay na tao sa ton ng meat. Kaya hindi na sanay na tao sa ton. Ting mga meat. Pati yung dyan gawin yung pasta. Bro. Wala yung bunyo. Bro, stop. Oh, bro, give me all that. Bro, can you give me that water bucket? I'm gonna use it. I need water bucket, not bread. Give me the water bucket. Give me the water bucket. That water bucket. So, bro, we can go get some water. Yeah. Bro, did you just got the... I think I will have to travel. Wait for me, bro. I'm gonna have to travel to get us water. Bro! I'm gonna travel to get us water. It's hard to get water. No, I don't don't need to follow you. The don't look. I don't need to follow you. I already saw. Here, it's just the water. Ooh, two. That's good. Legacy. Legacy. No, boy. Okay, fine. Legacy. That's murder. Goodbye. Kung mapatay ko dyan, hindi ako mapatay. Ayan, medyo. Bro, I have 28 dirt. How is that possible? And I have 2 water buckets. Bro, here you go. Bro, get this water bucket right now. I got double water buckets. And here. Wait, first, I know how to do a glitch. I think I know how to do a glitch now. Fill this water. Fill this water 12. Yung bucket. Oh, tama. Ganito gang. Dapat asal sige na ito basi. Dapat to, nagubli. At least one. Ang boto ko dito. Ibalik. Iban. Hindi mo yung matatanting water. Hindi mo matatanting water nga nung lang. Oh. Oh. Nagdubli kay steak ko. The steak. Ito mo ba? Hindi mo malay. Ito. Lagi sa balay. Sige. Faster. Faster. But we know where our house is. But I think we're lost. I think we just lost our house. Oh, there's a house. Oh, delete video. I'm gonna die. Bro, you didn't get the water. The water. I said the water. Oh, you have a lot of wood, not food. Don't tell me what to do. Don't do that me what to do. Bro, I think I found iron. Ayan, frosted ka. No! Ano naman nga? Nga ka na. Alalain lang nga. Kita matulog. Oh, bikin me mo dito tingin swimming pool. Ito ka tulog.
Sorry. Nuwit pa ko nga nila.
Ano, dala
Ay,
ko?
uwil.
Dala ko?
Tunog.
Ilang pa makagalaw. Tatang.
Sir, dapat flower.
Uja! Yung mga ano? Oh? Again?
Love you.
I know you like pink because you're a girl.
You know, I know. Ada,
I'm almost dead.
mau mana?
Bro, wait. Bro, you don't even know? Oh my god. Bro,
Din,
don't even. Oh my god.
wala
Oh
naman.
my god.
Ako matakot sa pagkakas. Pag ako mo, pag ako mo, yung hino ko daw.
Bro,
Ay, hino ko daw. Alam mo, alam mo. Ada.
no, hello. You want food? You want food? Why didn't you just ask me, bro? Wait, why didn't you ask me for food, bro? You should have asked me.
Saan ko doon eh, naman.
Bro, just go and get some water. Like, we need to make an infinite water source.
Eh,
Oh my god, I'm about to die.